It's not just a Hot Wheels car, it's a whole adventure packed into one wild ride. Meet the Hot Wheels R.V. there yet? The ultimate road trip machine, reimagined the Hot Wheels way. At first glance, it looks like a quirky little camper van, but this isn't your average RV. It's got oversized wheels, supercharged stance, and that unmistakable Hot Wheels attitude. Sleek, bold lines give it a futuristic edge, and the exaggerated proportions say one thing loud and clear. This RV is built for fun, not for parking. The name says it all. RV there yet? A playful twist on every kid's favorite road trip question. But trust us, with this thing, the journey is the best part. Whether you're imagining a cruise down the coast or a wild off-road trek through the desert, this van is ready for anything. And the details? Classic Hot Wheels creativity. The RV-inspired body includes molded roof racks, adventure gear, and even window graphics that hint at life on the road. Campfires, gear, and pure imagination. Some versions even come in bright, eye-catching colors, or wild graphics that make it pop on the track or the shelf. And yes, it fits on Hot Wheels tracks. That means you can launch it, loop it, race it, or even park it at your Hot Wheels garage. It's part van, part race car, part dream machine. Whether you're a kid dreaming up the ultimate road trip, or a collector looking for something a little outside the box, RV There Yet is a reminder that the journey matters just as much as the destination, and it's way cooler when it comes with turbo wheels and Hot Wheels flair.